Bro. Hey, hero.
Alright? You okay? Are you sure you're alright? You're welcome. You gotta push the backs down. Out doing that shit on the lift because it.
Yeah, because you're gonna like drop the little screw or whatever.
We got 16 runs in.
Pretty good. Oh, you smell good. It was like up to my nipples in snow. We all went up at the normal time and James kind of stuttered and then decided to go anyway. Oh, no. And so he was like halfway up and the chair hit him from the side and knocked him to the ground and then ran him all the way over.
Three girls in one stop.
Little treeway.
I wouldn't buy that.
What up, bud? Come on in. Tracking.
Ah!
Hey.
Gang's all here.
Hey guys.
It's Marks on Mars.
We're at the Codes party. It's so fucked up. You're gonna have to come pick us up, okay?
I'm working again. It's Sunday. Fuck yeah. What's up, bitches? December 22nd, I just finished that call. I'm going to attempt to go and cut a deer skull out of this lake. I'll show you when I get there. So we're a few minutes into here. There's a deer that's been killed by coyotes. You can see all the paw prints around. It has frozen in the ice, and I'm trying to get the skull out because I assume the whole thing is there. Probably an hour. But I finally have this thing free. I don't know what bits have hacked off and what pieces I've actually managed to keep. Looks like I got into the ear there. Yuck. Boys, I got her free. An 8-point buck. Ever. Not bad. Nice little deer. Woo! Can I hit that?
Not one. You know what the concert that I came to?
Nice. Hit that.
You want to hit that?
No.
Gross. Alright, my dudes. We got the fire going. We got the skull covered in water and Dawn dish soap, which tends to be the best. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of borax.
Is it on?
Show what's going on.
How do I see you? How high up?
Anywhere there. Holy fuck. Fire in it. Up in there. You wouldn't think it was fucking New Year's Eve. Shit.
Fucking hell. Ooh, I don't know what day it is. It's Sunday though. It's January 19th. I broke my knees, both of them. They're both broken. Freaking this dog's here, whatever his damn name is. He's a freak though.
it fell in a little bit. You guys fall in. Your foot is wet. No.
Nice putt.
I literally got the one in before.
It backed out, unfortunately.
Why does it come back out of the hole?
That's not in.
Happy New Year!
Wow!
Hell yeah.
Woo!
Hi there. First ski day of the season at the fabled Mount Pakenham. Some chicken.
Chippies! Chippy!
We'll see what this day has to discover. What's up, coom rats? So we're gonna try and kind of get centered on our conduit. That's gonna do plugs and lights, and Mom's gonna put a kiln in here for her pottery, and that'll give her the juice. Ah, fucking idiot. Fuck it. Looks pretty good. Say no pouch, no pay. Either about 25. you take a warm beer and you put it in the snow like that, you give it a roll. You just give that a roll for like 30 seconds. Ooh, yeah. That's icy now.